In this video, we are going over what is a dilation. And to understand this concept, it's a very simple one. All a dilation does is it either shrinks something or it enhances something. And in this video specifically, we're going to go over geometric dilations. So a geometric dilation is a transformation that changes the size of an object, but not the shape. So let's take a look at an example here. And we're going to start with just a square. And the first dilation we're going to make is we're actually going to enlarge the square. So we're going to make the square bigger. And now we're going to reduce the size of the square with this dilation and make it smaller. And now we're going to bring it back to its original size. So those are dilations. What you're about to see next, this is not a dilation because now the shape of the square changed into a rectangle. So that is not a dilation. Even though it grew a little bit, it grew but didn't keep the same dimensions, and that is the key. And the key to dilations is what we call scale factor. So scale factor tells us how the object changes. And it is a number that we multiply all the dimensions of the shape by. So if the shape is being enlarged, we're going to multiply it by a whole number with the scale factor. If the shape is being reduced, we are going to multiply it by a fraction. So let's take a look at some examples here, and Tommy the turtle over here is going to tell us what our scale factor is going to be of the shape we're given. So here we have a rectangle with dimensions 3 and 5, and now we're going to look to Tommy to see what our scale factor is. So he's given us a scale factor of 2, and that means we're going to multiply all sides by 2. So we're going to go 3 times 2 and 5 times 2, and that's going to create a bigger rectangle here with sides 6 and 10 on the dimensions. And as you can see here, there's 2 of the original rectangles for the 6, and then 2 rectangles of the original going across. Let's do another example here, and here we're going to have a triangle with sides 8, 8, and 12. And Tommy's going to give us our scale factor here of 1/4. So now that means we're going to multiply all the sides by 1/4. So 8 times a fourth, 8 times a fourth, and 12 times a fourth. And what that's going to do is create a much smaller rectangle with dimensions 2, 2, and 3 because we reduced all sides by 1/4. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, you can visit us more at www.withturtled.com.